Internal error. Looks like there's an error here. I don't know.
Go to YouTube and click YouTube and click multi-stream.
Okay.
Uh,
Error. Are we live? Let's see if we're live. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if we're live. I don't know if we are
yeah, it's fine.
live.
It's fine. Yeah,
You
we're
could
good.
hear me?
Yes.
All right. All right. Okay.
Let's
All right. So I guess we're live. Are we live on the YouTube?
see. Yeah, we're live on YouTube
How you know? How you know?
because we're live on YouTube.
Oh, okay. All right. How about on the X? On the X?
Yeah.
X Factor. X Factor. We're live. You can hear the audio.
Mm,
All right. All right. All right. Yo, yo, yo. What's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house. And this is another episode of Power Play. If you're new to the show, let me break it down to you. Let me break it down to you. So, what we do here is we basically get ourselves ready for Power Hour. So, that's the power portion of Power Play, right? We get ourselves ready for Power Hour, which starts at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, when volume typically comes back into the market after the midday break, if you will. Right, so we take a look at the leading gainers and try to decide whether or not they got enough gasolina in the tank to run in after hours. So that's the power portion of it. The play portion of it is we let the stocks cook a little bit because right now it's like a slow time of the day. You know what I mean? So we take a look at the stocks, we chart them, we see whether or not they're going to keep moving. Hopefully they move. Hopefully they move. If they don't move, well, they don't move. That's the bottom line. So what we'll do is we'll do the charting, go into a couple of games of Fortnite, get a dub for the community, go back and check to make sure that the stocks cooked a little bit better and they're not raw and they're ready to rock and roll and go parabolic again. So that's what the show is about. Power play. All right. Power hour and playing some Fortnite, getting dubs while we're waiting for these stocks to potentially go parabolic in Power Hour. If you're not following on YouTube, go ahead and hit the follow button at Coaching Money.
At Coaching Money.
At Coaching Money. And we're also on Twitter, x.com, aka x.com, at Coaching Money.
At Coaching Money.
At Coaching Money. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, at Coaching Money.
At Coaching Money.
We also live stream on Twitch, at Coaching Money.
At Coaching Money.
We also have our TikTok, at DBL Nicks.
Felix.
At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to check out our Discord, which is a multifaceted Discord, it's obviously a fantastic community, very supportive. Of course, there's a lot of educational content and assistance that we provide to our members. And additionally, we give you massive amounts of tools. Right now, you're looking on the left side of the screen, the market mover scanner that is part of the Discord. We're sharing it with you on stream right now, and it has some pretty significant features, like including float as well as volume, and also hyperlinks to further information about the stock. Does the stock have a shelf registration? Does the stock have news? Does the stock have some kind of a filing? What are the catalysts that are propelling the stock or not propelling the stock? That's the story. All right, so the link is in the description to check that out. We also have the breakout scanner that basically monitors for unusual volume. That's a really powerful tool because it gives us a heads up that something is getting ready to potentially move. We also have our early watch list, the early watch list that we do Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time during the um, during the after hours from the night before for the next day, right? And those early watch lists almost always have anywhere from one, two, three, maybe even four stocks that ultimately end up going absolutely parabolic. YCBD ran parabolic well over 100%, and we actually gave it as an early watch list to our Discord last night at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so the link is in the description or in the pinned comment. If you want to take a 4-day trial, it's only $9.99, so you could take a ride in the Discord and check it out and see it for yourself. Okay, so that's the story with that. We're looking at OCG. OCG has run with a couple of days ago it ran, and it's running again. It's currently up 347%. This stock has a float of 16 million, and the float rotation is pretty good at 135 million. The RSI is heating up. The 9 EMA is starting to separate considerably from the VWAP, but it is still bullish at the moment. So we're going to give it a trend line to show that it is pulling further and further up. Now, my concern is it's starting to separate quite a bit from the VWAP. The 9 EMA, the price, and the VWAP are separating, and the RSI is starting to enter the area of being overbought. So a reversal wouldn't be out of the question, but right now it is still trending up pretty strongly, up 347%.
47%.
So that's the story with that particular stock, OCG. All right, let's take a look at MSOX. Let's get a share party. Let's get over 100 folks in here. 100 folks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. MSOX currently up. It's an ETF, but it's up 84%. Moving on light volume. Make a note of it. It is an ETF. It's not typically what we trade, but it is up 80 some odd percent, 85%. Let's go to YCBD. YCBD is an interesting stock. Basically, what happened with this particular stock is that it regained compliance with NASDAQ. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Isn't that what we have? I'm pretty sure that was it. But the bottom line is it has now double topped. So if I get the graffiti pencil activated, we can see that there's a top over here and a top around over here, right? And that is a bearish pattern, right? And I can put it on the 5-minute chart so you can see it a little bit more clearly. And you can see way more clearly that it has double topped, and you can see that the price action has sold off. My concern is that because it is a double top pattern, this sell-off can continue to move downwards. So my guess would be that the price action will probably not hold VWAP, especially since the RSI is moving downward. Let's go ahead and add the indicator for the volume so we can take a look at what the volume candles look like. Let's add that. Okay, we can see diminishing in volume candles. Again, very understandable in light of the fact that there's a significant lull between the morning trading session and just before power hour, which is exactly the time frame that we're in. So I'm going to say that we potentially see a further drop in price action here, and hopefully it forms a descending wedge, which is a bull reversal pattern, and will start to bounce up again. What would be even better is if it can hold above the VWAP right over here at $1.19. We'll go ahead and put a nice big green candle, nice big green horizontal line over there so that we can see exactly where the VWAP is. What would be even better is if it can bounce off of that VWAP. But again, because of this double top, there's certainly a chance that the price action can dip even further than it has already done. So we'll see what happens with this ticker. But it had a very strong move earlier in the day, had a very strong move pre-market, then dipped, had a you can see that right here. Pre-market, big move, dropped under VWAP, big move, dropped. Hopefully it'll stay above VWAP, but quite frankly, there's a good chance that it'll keep going down. And we have all indications that it will go down a little bit more, but hopefully it will end up being a reversal pattern and we'll see the price action jump up again. That's what I'm hoping for with YCD. We'll keep an eye on it to see if that is in fact what happens. Let's take a look at RYM. It's a more expensive stock, RYM. It's $25 a share, right? So it's more on the pricey side, and it is up currently 58%. But, DBL Moms, is that coffee coming? Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. But we can see that there's been a massive sell-off since then, right? So let's go ahead and activate the graffiti pencil, and you can see that it is generally trending downward. We need to see a break of this downtrend and a move back up. We could say that possibly this could be the makings of a demand zone. Sorry, not a demand zone, a descending wedge bull reversal, and we could potentially say that the price action is moving down to a demand zone, but without volume, it just don't mean nothing. Doubles, you know what I'm saying? Without the volume, it don't mean nothing. I don't care about no demand zone. I don't care, doubles. It don't mean nothing. It's got to have volume. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if it gets volume, right? But without volume, this doesn't really mean a whole heck of a lot, right? So we need to see that happening. It is a 1 million float stock, which is a low float, and it has only 2 million in actual volume demand. So the rotation, the float rotation, is relatively low for a parabolic move. But that being said, it's still up 62%. So we'll see what happens with that. What happens now? THH is a very low volume stock, very low volume stock, and you can generally see that when you see candles that look like this, where there's a bunch of gaps. You know what I mean? There's a bunch of gaps. So you have that going on here, and you can see that it pumped on low volume and it dumped on low volume. The RSI is indifferent. It's neutral. It's smack in the middle. So neither buyers nor sellers really have any control over it. It is a heavier floated stock at 29 million volume. I'm sorry, 29 million float, and the volume is super low at 373,000. It is currently up 53%. There's no real news catalyst. There's supposed to be earnings in about 2 weeks, but aside from that, not much else going on with this particular ticker. So this is kind of a meh, you know what I mean? Doubles, meh. All right, let's go take a look at CNBS. I think this is a cannabis stock, CNBS, and I think that the cannabis stocks, it's an ETF, okay? It's up 43%. It's a cannabis-based ETF, and obviously the cannabis-based stocks have been moving on news that Donnie Boy over there is thinking about changing the legal status of marijuana, which I've heard before from a bunch of different presidents, so and politicians. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, that's the story, Charlie. Doubles. That's the story, Charlie. Right, doubles. 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 All right, so that's the story. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 200, folks, baby. Let's get to 200, and we're going to go ahead and let some of these stonks brew a little bit. Let's go back to OCG. OCG. I think it kind of doubles. I think OCG halted. I think that's what happened to it, right? Yep. No, you know what? It resumed and then it sold back down, you see? But that was a nice little pop over there, right? Nice little pop. It's still generally trending upward. So we'll see what happens with it. See if it can hold. But again, the 9 EMA and the VWAP are quite separated. RSI is definitely overbought, and you can see that it's starting to pull down. So a pullback wouldn't be the end of the world. We are still quite early on the trek to power hour. There's still an hour and 14 minutes before power hour happens. Let's take a look at the news on OCG. Let's check it out. OCG. Check it out. OCG. Check it out. Doubles. Pull it up there. Oriental Culture Ltd. Oriental Holding initiated $200 million share offering program. Just unveiled an announcement on December 11th. Oriental Holding. So that's the story, right? It's a Oriental Cultural Holding just unveiled. Oriental Cultural Holding entered into a sales agreement. Click it. Let's see what it says.
Which one?
OCG, the first one. Yeah, that one. Right there. What does it say? Just unveiled an announcement on December 11th. Oriental Holding entered into a sales agreement. Okay, click it. Good. All right, so it has news. The news came out late yesterday, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, right? Was it yesterday? Yeah. It was yesterday. Yeah, and it actually was running yesterday, as a matter of fact, right?
Yes.
So that's the story with it. Well over 300% has now pulled back. We'll watch it. We'll keep an eye on it. It has a catalyst. Seems to be the only show in town at this point. Doubles, you know? Yeah. Let's get that share party going on. Let's go to 200. Doubles, I want to have you monitor the messages because I'm not getting messages in my feed.
I haven't seen any messages.
Yeah, go ahead and check x.com as well. Okay, let's go ahead and share the link for the folks to sign up for the 4-day trial if they'd like to do that. And let's get a share party going on. And let's go ahead and get a dub. How's that coffee going, DBL moms?
Still brewing.
It's brewing, baby. It's brewing. DBL moms. So kind of like unwinding, getting ready for the weekend. But you know what? This is the time when something pops up a lot of times. You know, doubles. You know, you think that everything is like copacetic. You're relaxing. You're maxing. You're chilling. Everything is beautiful. Everything's beautiful, and all of a sudden, doubles. All of a sudden, doubles. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, doubles? All of a sudden, bam! There's a stop. It's Parabolic, bro. Parabolic. Whoop, whoop, Parabolic. Whoop, whoop, Parabolic. Woo. Ooh. What's up? What's up, Lion King? What's up, Lion King? Get out of here, bruh. Get out of here, bruh. Get out. Ooh, 1 cent to the dome, bro. Bah. Bah. Ooh, missed it. Just missed it. Just missed it. Ooh, the coffee ready. DBL moms. Let's go, baby. Let's get that share party going on. OCG moving back up after dipping. After dipperoo. All right, where are we going, doubles? Where are we going, doubles? I don't know. I'm not going to Happy Happening. It doesn't make me happy. You know what I mean? So I'm not going there.
More like unhappy.
It always makes me unhappy, doubles. It really does. You know what? I'm going to go to Frosted Flakes. Frosted Flakes, bro. Come on. You know where the plane's at. The Frosted Flakes. Ah, Frosted Flakes, bro. Frosted Flakes. All right. Hey, YCB moving up. 96%. 96%. 9 million float, 266 million volume. Huge float rotation, baby. It's a rotating, a little rotation. Let's go. Oh, look at this guy. He's got a motorcycle, bro. How cool. Oh, my. A little motorcycle. A little motorcycletta, baby. Oh, yeah. Get your motorcycle out of there, Chopper. Don't make me have to come after you, because I will, bro. I will, fella. I will. I don't mind. I'll take care of you, bro. I hurt you, boy. Get out of here. Get out of my lobby, fella. What did you think about that, doubles? It's pulling back, right, doubles? Yeah. Yepers. What do you think, Bubbles? What do you think, bro? Should we start pushing some folks? What do you think, bro? I think so, right, Doubles? Wow, there's a lot of loot in this building. Just gotta know where it's at, bro. Alright, let's go take care of business, Doubles. I think so. Right? What do you think, Doubles? Perhaps? Let's go tag some folks. What do you think? Anybody here? I don't know. Too quiet, right, Doubles? Too quiet. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. I just heard gunfire, bro. I just heard gunfire. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get 300 folks going. 300. Oh, these things, these solar panels don't, they don't do nothing. Okay, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Woo-wee. Look at that. Wow, the Christmas tree, bro. Look at the Christmas tree. Ooh, ooh. Merry Christmas to you. Bum, bum. Merry Christmas to you. Ooh, ooh. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Da, 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 da. How? Ooh, Pinanda doubles. We love Pinandas, bro. Bro, you know we like them, right? That there's a Pinanda, bro. Ooh, got a med kit. I can heal up a little bit. Oh no, I don't have to. Oh, I guess I did something else that got me better. It all got me better. What's going on with the storm? Is it coming yet? I think I should start flying, bro. You know. Somebody was here. All right, let's get out of here. What do you think, Doubles? Somebody's here, bro. They're trying to sneak up on me. Are you kidding me, bro? Did you see that? Yo, this gun does not hit for anything, bro. I should have used the P90 on him. I'm gonna try this again, bro. That's annoying.
That was annoying.
I should have took the pump, you know? I should have just took the pump. I kept hitting him for 25, dude. They nerfed it, yeah.
Wham.
No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. No bueno.
No bueno.
And we got a big sell-off on OCG. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Now it is a head and shoulders bare pattern. I've had like a lot of difficulty since yesterday. I don't know what happened.
I don't know.
What happened? What happened? That was on me, bro. I should have switched to the P90, bro. I had him. That was on me. I hate when I make mistakes, you know? No bueno. All right, so this is a head and shoulders pattern. We don't like that because that could potentially be a flush of Rooney, and it looks like it's doing that. So if it does flush, we don't want it to go below VWAP. So let's go ahead and put a green line where the VWAP's at. The VWAP's right over here. We want to make sure that it doesn't go any lower than that, and it could potentially do a flush of Rooney based on the fact that it is a head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulders pattern. YCB, let's go check that one out. YCBD. 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 Why? All right, so here's the story with this one. It's bouncing off VWAP. It has this double top, okay? So we're going to hope that it causes a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. A descending wedge basically signifies that the price action has dropped, but now it's starting to curl back up. It held VWAP, which is very important. And what we want to see is this 9 EMA really start to move upward. We want to see this RSI start moving upward. If it starts to move upward, that would be a very good bullish signal. We do see that volume is diminishing. Of course, it is now an hour and 3 minutes away from power hour, so that's understandable. That's understandable, Doubles. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna go over here, bro. I'm gonna go to Haunted. Yeah, I'm gonna slow roll this, bro. You know? I'm gonna slow roll the game. I don't know. You know, it's just not. You know what I mean? Slow roll it. This way I can talk to the peoples and tell them what I'm seeing. So YCBD. Looks like a potential descending wedge bull reversal pattern. It definitely was a double top. You can see the double top clearly. That is a bearish pattern. The price action dipped, but it held above the VWAP. So if it continues to hold above the VWAP, that would be a nice signal that maybe the stock can give us a breakout off of the descending wedge bull reversal. If not, then the double top is going to basically be taking control of the situation, at which point it's going to obviously keep going down till potentially it reverses, if it reverses. A lot of it is going to depend on volume doubles, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, it's going to really depend on the volume. Somebody's here, and I don't have a weapon. Come on, give me a weapon. Alright, let's try to get a shotgun. Where's this guy? Not a heck of a lot of weapons. Definitely saw somebody here, bro. Shotgun? No. Man, really? There's nothing here, bro? Seriously, bro? Nothing? For real? Doubles? Nothing, bro?
Nothing, honey.
Nothing, honey. Ooh, look at that gold. Oh, no. Is that an RPG? It's got to be something redonkulous, though, I'm guessing, you know? Metal. There's no metal here. That's a shame. There's no metal doubles. That would be a nice weapon to get, though, I'll tell you. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Is there metal in there? I don't even think there is, bro. You know what? We should mark this, because maybe I can grab some metal somewhere and come back for it. Maybe. Let's take this half pot, bro. I don't have a shotgun, nothing. There's nothing here, bro. They changed the map quite a bit. I gotta remember that next time, you know? I'm not gonna land here no more. I gotta land down there. Let's see if there's any enemies. Any enemies? OCG dumping pretty badly. Oh, we got a shotgun. We got a shotty, doubles. We got a shotty. Shotgun. I'm gonna farm some metal, man. But first I gotta get some ammo. Yeah, let's see what we can do here. Somebody was here. Took the ammo. Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious. You know what? I think I should take this. Let's take that loose. Try it again. There we go. Right, doubles. Let's see if we can get enough metal to go and get that RPG, bro. Not a lot of metal here, bro. I think I need like 250 of it, too. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it all. Let's see. Let's see, doubles. What do you think? You think I want to get it? Maybe, right? Maybe. Maybe. Come on now. 250. RPG. I tell you. I want me an RPG. Come on now. Metal. 250. Let's go, baby. Let's say the share party. Let's get to 400. We got some high simmering stonks that are warming up for us. They're just warming on up. To the big time. The deluxe apartment in the sky. Come on now. I need 250. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. They gave it to me. All right, now I got to try to figure out how to get up there. How about the Riftosaurus Rex? Can we do that? Is there a rift? Come on. Tell me that they didn't take the rift. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. No rift. No rift. No rift. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there we go. The rift is still there. Let's go. Let's go. Riftosaurus Rex, baby. All right. Let's go back on that mountain. Let's get the RPG. Oh, baby. RPG. Oh, baby. Right, Doubles? Oh, baby. We want that RPG. Oh, baby. I'm getting it, bro. I don't care, bro. I'm getting it. I don't care. I'll tell you right now, I'm getting it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. RPG. Come on, baby. Boom, chakalaka. All right. Doubles, we got ourselves an RPG. Oh, my gracious. I'm going to have to pop this med kit, bro. This no bueno, no bueno, no bueno, bro. Wow, the storm is aggressive, bro. Come on, keep moving. That storm is aggressive, dude. Holy moly, bro. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. What do I need? I need medkits, bro. I need a medkit, you know? I'm gonna pop this one right now. Bandages, something, you know? What is all this, bro? Nothing here, bro. How about over here? Bandies? Anything? Bandies? How about bandies? Bandies? No bandas? No bandas. No bandas. Ooh, how about the rift? How about the rift? The rift, bro. The rift. Rifty, rifty, bro. Rifty, rifty. It's nifty. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. This storm is, like, really pissing me off. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's get a share party. YCB, 101%. Breaking out of the bullpen and the bullpen and the bullpen and... Alright, let's see if we can get out of here. I don't even know if we can get out, bro. Yeah, we should be able to get out, right, Doubles? What do you think? You think so, right? Do I got wood to, like, heal up? I probably do. You know what I'm gonna do, bro? I'm gonna work my way... Once I get out of the storm, I'm just gonna keep going, bro. I'm not gonna mess around, bro. Bruh. Is there a net? What is that? Why am I losing altitude like that, bro? Come on now. I don't think there's a campfire on this mountain. Oh, but there's a chest. Nothing. Yeah, nothing, honey. Nothing, honey. Nothing, honey. I know, I gotta keep moving, bro. I got to keep moving and grooving and shaking and baking. Alright, here we go. Let's get the 400.
400.
We're rocking and rolling. We're sticking and strolling. Ooh, there's a vendo. Vendo! Not like I have a lot of mats, but there is a vendo. How about pads? Nothing that I need. I gotta just keep going, bro. Wow, this is a rough rotation for the coachy. A rough one for the coachy, Doubles. A rough one. No medkits. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Not a lot of mats either. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Rift, though. There's a rift. Ooh, glider redeploy. Yeah, I want that. I want me some of that, bruh. Yeah, we want that. We want that glider redeploy. We want it. We want it because we need it. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Doubles. Alright, we gotta find a campfire, something. I am one shot, dog. You know that, right? Let's get that shit party going on.
Party!
Right. We're landing at Lucky Landings. We're landing at Lucky Landings. Let's see if there's some medkits over here. Anything? Bandies? Anything? Come on. Blue heels only, bro. Can you imagine? Blue heels only, bro. Of course. Of course. Why not? When I need white heels, there's no white heels, bro. You imagine? Can you imagine this, bro? Are they serious, bro?
Well, at least you got
Pinande!
Pinande!
But no white heels, bro.
Hey, blue rifle, blue rifle.
No, I'm gonna go with the no, I'm not gonna go with it. I'm not gonna go with the doubles. Because I'm upsetty spaghetti, bro. Medkit, bro. Medkit!
Grab that med kit.
Holy
Your
Toledo!
life depends on it because it literally does.
Bro, I'm telling you,
Go
man.
back to that blue rifle afterwards.
I don't want it, doubles. It's because the heavy doesn't do so well as a blue.
That's a heavy?
Now, you want purple or gold, bro? There's somebody flying up ahead, doubles. All right, we gotta move, bro. I do not want to get caught in the storm this time. I do not want to get caught in the storm, bro. Not this time. No, I do not. You know what? I'm not gonna even go into this building over here. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna rift out of here. Doubles. I'm not playing. I'm not playing this game, bro. I'm just not doing it. No. What's going on? Why is it doing that, bro? Bada bingo. All right, let's get that share party. We're almost at 400. Let's go to 420 for the memes, baby. For the memes. Do it for the memes, I tell you. Right there. This is in zone. I don't know. I'm not loving that. I don't know. What do you think, Doubles? Should I stay here? Why not? Somebody's here. Somebody's below. Somebody was below. You saw the footprints, right, bro?
Yeah.
All right. Why not? Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? You don't see nobody, do you? I'm gonna have some coffee. I'm gonna have some coffee, Doubles.
Hey.
Oh my. Oh my gracious. Oh my. Oh my. Well, we got hype, bro. You know?
There you go.
How cool would it be if we had zone again, huh? Wouldn't that be awesome, dude?
That'd be great.
That would be terrifico. Terrifico, bro. Uh-huh. Let's get some more mats, bro. Of course we don't have it. It's not zone, bro. Of course not. Doubles. Yo, the candy cane is made out of brick, man. You can bust your tooth, bro. Bada bingo. You like that, bro? I like the redeploy. I love that. Anybody here? Somebody got the. I hear the turret. Somebody has the turret, bro. You know, somebody has the turret.
Yeah.
Enemy nearby. Enemy, enemy, enemy. We're at 411. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 420 for the memes, baby. Let's go. Let's go. What do you think, Doubles? Oh, 1v1v1. There's 3 of us left. Let's go, baby. I need to hear some gunfire. I need them to see them start fighting, Doubles. They need to start shooting at each other, not at the coach. Not at the coach. I'm not here. Ignore me. I'm not here. I'm not here. Don't look at me. I'm not here. I'm not here. Doubles. I'm not here. Doubles. I'm not here. Doubles. I'm not here.
Not at all. I don't see you. I don't see you.
I'm not here, bro. I'm practically invisible. In the other mode, you actually can go quasi-invisible, Doubles. You know, you walk through that green film at the, what is that called? Covered Canyon or something? Dude, no way. Are you kidding me? This is almost zone, but not quite? Are you kidding me? This guy's coming in. Bada bingo! Oh, that's not good. Ooh, why not? That's not what I meant to do. Oh, no, Doubles. He hit me, bro. He hit me. He hit me, Doubles. He hit me. Dude, not much I could do with that. Not much I could do with that, Doubles. Not much. You know, he had high ground. He had zone. The other guy hit me instead of him. Not much I could do.
That guy had sheer luck on his side.
Yeah, he had the demons on his side, bro. He had the demons on his side. We're watching YCBD trying to break out of a descending wedge bull reversal. It looked like it was doing it, and now it's coming back down to VWAP. Hopefully it'll hold the VWAP. Let's move this a little bit, Doubles. Let's move it. Let's be positive, Doubles. Let's be positive about it. Let's say it's still a descending wedge. Can we? Can we say it, Doubles? Can we say it's still a descending wedge? What do you think? Come on now. Come on now. Get some volume, baby. RSI is neutral, though. Volume candles are low. But you know what, Doubles? There's still 43 minutes before power hour. So, the gods of volume, may they be with you. May they be with you. Oh, may they be with you, you YCBDU. Dude, it's had a lot of volume over the course of the day. I don't know if it's going to keep going or not. 9 million float, 273 million volume, Doubles. That's a lot of volume, bro. Lot of volume, lot of volume. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 500. Let's get to that 500 mark. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go to OCG. OCG. Oh, no, 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 no. OCG, head and shoulders, head and shoulders.
OCG.
Selling off, selling off. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno, baby. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. So it went all the way up to $4.12. You know what I mean, doubles? And then it kind of petered out. It ran out of gasoline. All right, all right. We'll keep an eye on it, but all right, all right. I don't know. I don't know. DBL moms, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You know? I don't know. You know? I don't know. RYM. RYM. Rhythm. 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 It's in the demand zone. It is a descending wedge. It's sub VWAP, so it's going to have significant resistance if it does get the volume. It'll have significant resistance right here at around $36.95, which is the VWAP. Doubles the VWAP. The VWAP. But it is bouncing off the descending wedge bull reversal type of pattern at the demand zone. So it is bouncing off. Not the way I would trade it. It's kind of an expansive stock, but it is up 71%. And it does have a very low float of 1 million. And now the volume has bumped up to 3 million. It was originally 2 million. So it was 2x the float. Now it's 3x the float. Still kind of low, but it is a micro float stock. So you just never know with these tickeroons. Does RYM have any news, doubles? Can we check it out? Let's check it out, doubles. RYM rhythm. It's the rhythm. It's the rhythm. The rhythm. The rhythm. Let's see. It halted a bunch of times. I see that. Aside from that, I don't see nothing, doubles. Nothing, honey. I don't see nothing, honey. But it was moving. Moving. Let's go take a look at the cannabis stock. Cannabis CNBS, CNBS, still trending upward. Again, a lot of these cannabis type of stocks have been moving on the news that Donnie Boy over there is thinking about changing the classification of marijuana. Marijuana. Mary Jane. Mary Jane. Mary Jane.
Marriage of Mitch.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh. And so anyway, 50% up ETF on cannabis. So that's a story with this particular ticker. Let's go back to YCBD. YCBD. And we'll keep an eye on it because it is in that pennant. Hopefully it'll break out of the pennant and we'll see something beautiful. Let's get a share party. Let's get over 500. Then let's go for 600. 600. Hopefully some other stock comes up too, you know. I guess a lot of people getting ready for the weekend doubles, you know. They're getting ready for the weekend doubles. You know how that goes, right? They're ready to party. Party. Nothing wrong with it. I don't hate on it. Let's get a dub for the community. Let's get the dub. We almost had the dub, bro. I blew that. I should have moved earlier, you know.
Yes.
I should have moved earlier, but that guy really put a hurting on me, you know. Well, I actually put a hurting on myself. I blew myself up, you know. But I had no choice, you know. He was too close, and you know, I had to go for it. I was not going to lose a 50-50. Sorry, Charlie. Sorry. UGRO, UGRO, moving on the scanner, moving. It is an 8 million float stock with 10 million volume. Any news on UGRO? UGRO. You grow. You have to have your vitamins so you can grow, baby. You need to grow, baby. Receives additional NASDAQ delisting notice after missing. This is going back to the 24th. So missing, they didn't file their Q3 on November 24th. I'm wondering if, you know, time is coming up for them to file it. You know what I mean? And now the stonk is moving up. Maybe that's what's going on. And they also have to file a Q1 as well. They have to file a Q1 by December 23rd, just before Christmas Eve. But right now, it's moving up ever so slightly. 10 million moving on light volume. Let's keep an eye on it. You never know. You never know, doubles. You never know. You never know. Where are we going to land, doubles? Where are we going to land? Where are we going to land, doubles? Where are we landing? Where are we landing? I don't know, doubles. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Polo Peak doesn't have anything, bro. You know? It don't have nothing. It don't have nothing. You know what I mean? Let's go to Viking, bro. We haven't done that in a long time, you know? Yeah, I haven't really been playing the OG for like 2 weeks now because it wasn't available. So I'm kind of like a little rusty. Little rusty. It's funny how if you don't play Fortnite every like a certain particular mode every single day, like if you let a week go by, you get rusty, bro. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. And I was playing the other mode, so I was getting used to that red eye and whatnot, bro. That red eye is unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable, I tell you. All right. Guess what? Ugro is moving. Ugro is moving. Doubles moving. Hey, we have to say adieu to Greasy Grove. It's under the ice, bro. Adieu. I say adieu to Greasy Grove. Ciao, my friend. It was swell. It was swell. Right, Doubles? Greasy Grove is under the ice, bro. Under the ice. Poor thing. How they gonna do that to Greasy Grove, bro? How they gonna do it? I don't know. We got somebody here. There's a fella over here. I'm just gonna go push him, bro. How about that? Or maybe not. There's no guns here. What the freak, bro? What is going on, bro? Shotgun? Alright, I'll take it. It's not a great shotgun, but I'll take it. Right? Why not? I'm gonna push this guy. I don't know where he's at, but I'm gonna push him. He's over here, right? I'm not rocking that. I'm gonna rock the shit. I'm gonna rock the pump, bro. You know? Where is this guy? There was a guy here, right, Dubs? Alright. I don't know, man. There was a guy, now he's not around. Let's get that shit party going on. Somebody's hiding, Doubles. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all, Doubles. I'm telling you the truth. I don't like it. Alright, let's go over here. Alright. Why not? I don't know, Doubles. I don't know. This guy may have, like, bailed out, right? What do you think, Doubles? Did he bail? Or he might just be a camper? Because they do camp around, you know? They have a tendency of camping, bruh. And I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like campers. Camping. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know. I think the guy left, bro. It don't matter because I'm leaving, bro. You feel me? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go, Doubles. I'm gonna go. Right? What do you think? Should I get bail out, bro? Yeah, I'm gonna bail. I'm gonna bail, bro. Take my little rifty poo and get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's skedaddle. Let's get to 700. We're watching RYM moving, Doubles. RYM is moving. The rhythm is moving. right. Double trouble, double. I'm gonna go to 5 trees, bro. I'm gonna go to 5 trees, bro. 5 trees? The 5 trees, bro. That's where I'm going. Right there. No, I mean, there's no name for it, so nobody calls it 5 trees. That's what I'm calling it. Because there's 5 trees, my brother. You don't understand? Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious. Oh my. So my. I don't see nobody, do you? I don't see no stinking body. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. Watch. Bada bingo! Now, typically, people would say that's crazy. He jumped off the mountain, but it don't matter none. Where's the zip line? It's not here anymore, Doubles, huh? It's not. No. What's here, bro? Anything good? I don't have steel. How much? 200. 200 steel, huh? Let's see. Somebody here. Storm's coming, and I needed metal, bro. I don't know, should I mess with this? Let's see, this is metal. There's some metal here. Let's see. Maybe I'll have it. Bro, just not enough. Just not enough, bro. Crazy, right? Watch. I barely, just a little bit, I couldn't make it. Look, believe it? Look at that. That's crazy, dude. There we go. Finally. Holy Toledo, bro. Just barely got it, bro. Crazy, right, dude? That's crazy, cray. That's crazy, cray. Come on, I need some heals. Come on. Come on now. I guess I'm gonna have to pop this. Alright, we're almost at 700. Let's see. Ooh, enemy right there. There you go, fella. Just like that, bruh. Just like that, bruh. What do you think, Doubles? Just like that, bruh. Just like that, bruh. That's right. Yeah. You were fresh. Funky fresh. Maybe I should take the sniper with me. What do you think, Doubles? Should I take the sniper? I'm going to, bro. I'm going to do it, bro. I'm going to take the sniper. You just never know. It could come in handy. You know, like there's long-range stuff going on over there, Doubles, you know? You never know. You You never know. You never know. You never know. Right, doubles? All right. Let's try to get that dub. 15 folks left. Somebody in here. Right there. Look. A sniper. What did I tell you, doubles? What did I tell you?
Nice.
I told you I needed a sniper.
A sniper.
Oh, but I like this better, bro. This thing is off the... Oh, my good. Oh, migration. Oh, migration, doubles. Migration. DBL Moms. Oh, migration. I got to do it for DBL Moms, bro. I do it for the Indelible Tribe, too. Why not? Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? Right, doubles? Why not? Ooh, there's a plane flying. Oh, my. Where that plane at? The plane! Where's the plane at, bruh? Where's the plane at, bruh? Come on, I want to shoot it. I want to shoot the plane. Wow, 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 wow. The plane, right there. There goes the plane, huh? Yeah, I gotta tag it a little bit, you know? Show it a little love. No, I hear you. Of course, bro. I just built it, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, let me go back here, bro. See if there's any ammo. I need ammo.
Need some ammo.
I need ammo. Let's share it up. Let's get to 800.
800.
RYM moving. Moving. Ooh, doubles. Look at that, bro. Yummy. I got myself some ammo. I got myself some ammo. Why does it keep... Dude, the game is like glitchy, bro. Freaking plane, bro. I feel like I should go up top, bro. It's right there, bro. Come on, fella. Can't have none of that. Can't have none of that. Bye-bye. Schmucker. Schmuckers. Bye-bye, schmuckers. It's a jam, bruh. It's a jam. Jam, jam, jammy. It's a jammy. It is, bro. Oh, give me some more mats, bro. All right. Yeah, I don't. It's not my thing, though. Do I? I don't. No, I don't. I don't have trap stumbles. I don't have traps. C and BS moving up 51%. We're not in zone, bro. Somebody in here, bro. What do you think, doubles? Why not? Why not? You know what I mean, doubles? You know what I mean? Why not? Why not? Why not? Right? That's it, bruh. That's the story, Charlie. Is it? Well, I think I'm in pretty good shape, bruh. I was like the early bird.
Get in the cash.
Get in the cash, baby. The early bird, get in the cash. Why not? The money! Where they at? Oh my god, what the hell is that? Oh, I feel like shooting that out, but I know if I pop my head, somebody might shoot me. Oh, that guy, he's probably has the glider redeploy. But we can't have none of that. Oh, he rifted. But we can't have none of that, you know? I know. What are you thinking, doubles? What are you saying? What do you say? What do you say? What do you think? What do you say? What do you think? What do you say? What do you think, doubles? What do you say? Uh-huh! I'm guessing right there, somebody. Somebody got maybe back here, too. Maybe. No. Maybe over there. Right there. Somebody right there. It could be one of those guys right there. That's going to be in Storm. That's in Storm, bro. They're right here. They're right here, bro. I just need them to fat each other. Oh, come on, bro. I know. Somebody just got eliminated, bro. It's a 1v1. I don't know where this guy's at. I don't know. You know what? I'm going to go this way because I got the, I think I got, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do, bro? I know. Where is he? He's up top. He's up top. Oh, dude. trapped me, bro. He trapped me! Damn it! Oh, bro. Just, yo. Bro, he trapped me, bro. He got me fair and square, bro.
That was fair.
Yeah.
Annoying.
Oh my, that was smooth coffee. It was smooth. Oh my gracious. Doubles. We got, I don't know, 16 more minutes before power hour.
Yes, power hour.
16 more minutes. Let's go take a look at what's going on. So we got the ETF that's moving, MSOX, MSOX, MSOX. Advisor shares MSOS daily. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is, but it's moving up on low volume and it's up 112%. RYM is moving doubles. RYM, let's get that share party going on. Let's get it shared. Ladies and gentlemen, follow us on YouTube at Coach Money, at Coach MoneyX.com, at Coach Money, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Money, TikTok, Tiki-Taki at DBL Nicks, at DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, we're also on Twitch live streaming at Coach Nick Money. And if you want to join the Discord and get all the powerful tools, a great community, education, and much, much more, there's a link in the description and a pinned comment for a 4-day trial for $9.99. Go ahead and check that out. We're looking at RYM next, doubles. RYM, and it did in fact break out of a descending wedge down to a demand zone, broke out. It's moving towards VWAP. VWAP did pull down somewhat. So VWAP is now around that number right there. And we're looking at it to see if it's going to get enough volume to push forward. We still have 14 minutes before power hour. That's RYM, RYM, YCBD, bump, bump. YCBD, bump, bump, went below VWAP, bump, bump. It needs to maintain this downward trend line over here and break up to the top. Get up above the VWAP. See how VWAP rhymes with top. Never mind, right, doubles? Never mind. Forget about it.
Oh, it's going good.
Forget about it. Yo, he didn't want no fighting, bro. He just trapped me. He didn't want none of that. He just.
Hey, you like the build?
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't mind the building. It's just, I know you do.
I always mind.
I know. I feel you.
It's only fine when I do.
You know what I should have done? I should have pushed him when he was fighting. I just didn't know where he was. I was trying to find him. I should have just pushed it,
Just sent it?
I should have just sent it. MJ, let's check out MJ on the scanner. Moving up, shares of cannabis-linked stocks are trading higher following a report suggesting that President Donny Boy is expected to reclassify marijuana as a Schedule III drug. It's an ETF, Amplify Alternative Harvest. ETF up 43%. Doubles.
Yay.
Mary Jane is up 43%. Doubles.
Mary Jane.
Mary Jane. Let's share it up. Let's get to 1,000. We're almost at 900. Let's get to 1,000. Let's get to doubles. 1,000. Let's get to 1,000. Let's see what was the other ticker that was moving earlier and kind of like dissipated. What was that? What was the other ticker? It was moving earlier. It was moving earlier and then it dissipated. YCBD was one. What was the other one? That was like it did a head and shoulders. What was it? It was like I don't know, bro. It's like it happened so long ago. OCG.
OCG, you mean?
OCG.
Yeah,
Every time I hear that stock, I think of OCD. Right?
I think OG.
OG. Aha. Ooh, my goodness gracious. My gracious. Look at that. Look at how it liquidated. Now it's negative 20. It did a round trip. Holy moly. Man, I got a nosebleed when it started falling like that. Holy moly. Holy moly. I don't like that, doubles. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. CNBS, let's take a look at it. CNBS, another cannabis stock. CNBS, another cannabis stock. Another one, 55%. Doubles, 55%. 55. YCBD, let's check it out again. YCBD in that pennant. Could it be? Could it break out of that descending wedge? I don't know. We'll keep an eye on it. It don't look too healthy, but we'll see what happens. It looks like the cannabis stocks are the flavors of the day. Let's go and get a dub for the community, for the indelible pride. That's y'all, folks. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,000. Let's get to 1,100, 1,500. All that jazz, right? Doubles, all of that jazz. Why not? Why not? Doubles, doubles, troubles. You know what I think the issue is? I'm also not rotating fast enough doubles, you know?
You gotta do that thing where like 10 seconds before the swap.
Yeah, I gotta do some earlier rotations, I think. That's the other problem, you know?
Yeah.
Because I could position myself better if I rotate earlier. But the thing is, I'm having like a lot of bad luck. I'm like getting caught in a storm, you know, all kinds of stuff, you know? No bueno. Here, see this one right here, the heavy purple, I don't mind. Look at that. Look at how fast it shoots, bro. See? If it's purple, it's not bad. If it's blue, bro, it's a little chappy. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Huh? Am I right or what, bro? Look at that. Look. Oh, I need more ammo. Give me more AR ammo. Come on. I want to shoot this. I like this gun. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, 9-2 in the Cabeza. Isn't that a restaurant, the Cabeza? I don't know. I thought it was like a Mexican restaurant called Cabeza. Cerveza. Cerveza yourself, bro.
Hey.
Yeah, no, I'm serious, bro. Cerveza yourself, okay? Okay. I don't know. Do I go here or do I go there, bro? Here or there? Here or there? Quick. I'm going here. I'm gonna go here. Frosty Flights. Why not? I'm gonna go to the Frosty Flight. Oh, you know why? Because that hangar has like 3 chests in it. Why not? Why not?
You know why one of my friends always does in Battle Royale?
What's that?
Lines them up with that.
Because he has to get the weapons first, right? Yeah.
He flies over the map and takes it.
That's funny.
He just like waits.
Yeah, but you know what the problem is? They shoot you down here, man. They don't play. Remember we used to do that back in the day when it was season 7? Remember that? And we won a couple of matches like that. We were so new, dude. We were playing with iPads against people with computers, and we were winning, bro. And we had to like just use our noggin, bro, because they had such an edge, you know. Isn't that funny? Doubles.
You just like mow him down with the plane.
Right?
Yeah, it was hilarious.
Shotgun, come on. Or not. Somebody's already in the plane, bro. Let them deal with that. See, watch. You see how this shoot as well? See how slow it is? It's slow, but I got a gray AR, so yeah. Shotgun? Smoke stink bombs, maybe.
Stingy.
Gonna do a stingy? Why not? Why not? Stingy. Perhaps, bro. Perhaps. My guess is they might have flew away, bro. Oh, somebody right there, bro. Shotgun. Or not. Right there. Wow, that was just one shot, bro. That guy was one shot, brother. There's somebody still here, bro. Shield right there, look, shield. take the heals because actually I don't need the heals. I don't really need the heals. Look.
You already have a heal.
Yeah, no, the zone is really close, bro.
Find these guys that are hiding in their little thingies and just start. Nice.
They bots, bro?
No, it's
Anonymous, not a bot.
Not a bot.
Good call, bro.
I told you.
You are too funny, dude.
Hey, look, I am the master of knowing when to use a stinky.
Doubles, that was like right on point, bro.
Alright, that's how we do it. That's how we do it in the...
That was funny, dude. I gotta be honest with you. I think I'm gonna do that again.
Yeah, that's... I tell you.
I told you.
They build all the time. That is the best way. Like,
I tell you.
They start inhaling the stinky, and then all of a sudden they're freaking out. Like, oh my God,
I don't know. I can't get out.
we can get out.
Right?
Yeah.
Now what, fella? Let's get a shit party. Let's go, babies. Let's go.
Farts. There you go.
There you go, fella. There you go. I should take the loot from him, though, right?
You should.
I just don't know where.
Stinky,
Where was he, bro?
He was in the tower. That tower to your right. To your right. To your right. To your right.
This thing right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mine. Mean. Give it to me.
Give it to me!
Now. You give it to me now. It is all mine. Mine. Mean. You mean. Doubles. You're funny, Doubles. You're funny. You're funny, honey. You're a funny fella. Alright, I think we cleaned out the POI.
Somebody's nearby. To your right.
Alright, no matter, because you know what? We're gonna fly away, bro. Nah, I'm good, bro. They're flying, we're gonna fly like a bird and then come back and get them. Right? We're gonna fly like a bird and get them, Doubles. Right there! It's right there, Doubles!
Right there. He's right there. Don't waste your ammo. Throw the sticky. Throw the stinky. The stinky. Get him out of there. He's running out. Shoot his goofy butt. Shoot his goofy behind.
Bada bingo!
Oh my. He doesn't like that, huh? He's gonna try and go for that plane. Do not let him go for the plane.
Did you get into the plane?
No. He hasn't gotten to the plane yet. He thinks he still has a chance. I mean, you would think when he doesn't think he has a chance, he's gonna try to go on that plane and run away. What you're gonna do, right over there, wait on his
Where'd he go, bro?
look over the thing.
He left. Storm's coming, bro.
He's gonna wait until you get in the plane.
The storm's coming, bro. I gotta go.
And get in the plane and fly off. Quick.
I got to fly like a bird free.
Flying right next to me. You're gonna be in a dogfight.
Oh no! A doggy fight. No.
Fly behind, light him up.
Ooh, he's shooting at me. Ooh, he's shooting. He's shooting.
You gotta
Don't matter. I'm gonna get into zone, bro. I'm gonna get into auto zone, bro. Gonna get into my auto zone right here. What do we think? Right here? Right here? Where's she go?
Just trying to stay behind you.
What happened, bro?
Nah, you're still trying to get behind.
Did it. You know what I'm gonna do? Bye-bye! I'm gonna shoot her too. Ha ha!
You thought she was
What happened? What happened? What happened?
thought he was Timothy. No, you're not,
Oh my,
son.
bro! Oh, wait! Somebody's trying to snipe me.
Wait.
Plane's dead, bro. This guy got a sniper, bro.
Don't run around the open area. Just get to the tree line. Get to the tree line. You're good. You're okay. Get to the tree line. Stick to the rock. Stick to the tree line. Use everything as cover. Everything is your cover. Keep eyes on that sniper
Bro.
as much as you can.
This guy's storm holding me, bro.
So what you're gonna do? You're gonna go into that building. You see that building?
Mm-hmm.
Run right into that building. Right, you got the rocks into that building. And there, through that building. Just keep moving. There you go. Good. Look around a little bit. Make sure nobody's in there with you. Swipe the map that you can.
I'm gonna try to get over here, bro. Oh, good. One more. I'm in trouble. I'm in double trouble, doubles.
You just gotta just keep working that problem. Get to the tree line. It's okay.
I gotta work the problem. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1300. I need indelibles to help me out on this one, bro. I need the indelibles. I need the help of the indelibles, doubles.
Get to the tree line.
I'm doing it.
Some more mats.
Stick and move, double. Stick and move. Stick and move. Stick and move. Look, there's so much loot over there, but I don't trust it. Yeah, I don't trust it, bro. I don't trust it, bro. I don't trust it.
You need to know that that area is entirely abandoned. Map off. Well, actually, yeah. That's fine. That's fine. You have that.
Yes, sir. I do. I tell you. How we doing with the stormy storm? It's coming, right? All right, doubles. I'm moving. I'm moving and I'm grooving. All right, all right, all right.
Contact coming to your right. They're hostiles on your right, firing at each other. Okay?
Yeah, I have to go down though, bro. No, 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 no. No, 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 Nicky. Let's do a double take here. Ooh, look at that loot over there. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Oh, enemy, enemy, enemy. Woo! Doubles, bro. Doubles. I ran out of mats, man. Ran out of rats. I ran. Yeah, that's what happened. I ran out of mats. All right, that's that. Let's go take a look at the stonks. All right. So YCBD failing with the descending wedge. Let's move it over here. We are in power hour right now. Hopefully it'll get some volume and break out, but it don't look too schmexy right now. Let's take a look at you grow, you grow, you grow, you GRO, you grow, you grow, you grow. Moving on up, moving 38 cents, 38 cents. Ugrow is a 8 million float stock with 27 million volume. There's more volume now, but it's still only a 3 rotation type of situation, 3x volume, 2 float. So still kind of low, kind of low. RYM was rhyming for a while, doubles. RYM was rhyming for a while. It had broken out of a descending wedge bull reversal, but now it's kind of petering out. So that's the story. It didn't break VWAP. It needs volume love. RSI is still indifferent, and we are 7 minutes into power hour. It needs volume, volume, volume.
Yay.
And then, of course, we got some of the ETFs, right? We got ETFs. MSOX is one of them, right? MSOX. It keeps on drifting on upward ever so slightly, ever so much. Currently up 105%. 105%. And the MSOS. And I think this is also an ETF. I'm wondering if these ETFs are, this one's definitely a cannabis ETF. Cannabis, again, the news that the marijuana might be classified as a third degree, or something like that. Schedule 3, whatever that means, right? So that kind of pushed a lot of the cannabis stocks up. Cannabis, this one's up 53%. 53%. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, you want to follow us on x.com, aka Twitter at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We live stream on Twitch as well at Coach Nick Money. And of course, we're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks. DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, you're looking on the left side of the screen at one of the custom scanners, one of several custom scanners that we have in our Discord community. And we have a link in the description and in the pinned comment for 4-day trials for $9.99, which will give you access not only to all the amazing custom scanners, but an incredibly supportive community and also a lot of educational content as well. We're there to help you as well. A lot of support, great community, but also a lot of support. Also great search features so you can check out what's going on with the particular stock, what's the news, what's the filings, does it have a shelf registration, is it dilution risk, all this stuff that's important for trading. We have all of that. And then probably the best thing, doubles, the best is the early watch list that comes out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which almost invariably has some kind of a parabolic runner for the next day. Usually 1, 2, 3, 4 of those early watch list stocks end up running the next day. So you'll have access to all of that with the 4-day trial. Indelibles, I want you to achieve all your goals and aspirations and all your dreams. I call you indelibles because I want you to leave your mark. I want you to leave a mark that's unerasable, aka indelible. And that's why you are indelibles. Make sure that you strive harder, educate yourself, and be uplifting to others, because you know what? It's more fun having other people around you when you're doing great things, baby. I'm just saying. You guys are amazing. You are the reason why we're able to do all this. We thank you. We hope you got a lot of laughs from the show. We hope you got a lot of information from the show, and we hope you enjoyed yourself. Have a fantastic weekend. It's Coach Nick Money
DBL Nicks.
and DBL Nicks in the house, aka the Rainmaker. And then, of course, our secret weapon for always finding the parabolic breakouts. It's the Serengeti specialist herself, the ABCD specialist with the bushy tail, the one, the only DBL Nick. DBL Moms. DBL Moms in the house. There you go. Now it's a party. Folks, have a great day. Have an even better weekend. Peace out. Bye-bye.